Dude, I love a good hack. A good weeknight hack where it's like just a few ingredients to make brilliance. This, my friends, is ground beef Mongolian noodles.
That doesn't sound right.
It's because of the ground part.
Yeah.
But you'll see how delicious it is. Hey everybody, welcome to the set. I'm CJ, right over here is Nate,
hey.
Right over there is Ethan, and right over there is none of your business.
Whoa, whoa.
Hey, good to see you, bud.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Whoa.
Welcome back. So pumped you guys are here. This is gonna be a fun one, something you're gonna wanna keep in your arsenal. Quick, easy, delicious. You will not regret this.
Wannabe Mongolian beef.
These are the joys you are in fact looking for.
Daddy, you're not even trying!
Baby, it is 165 degrees on this planet.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first.
Simplistic, my friends, get you some lean ground beef and a Blackstone.
Simplicity Hoffman. Wasn't her name?
Felicity?
Yeah.
And was it Hoffman?
What was it?
Felicity, what was it?
I think it's Huffman.
Hoffman?
Is it?
I think so.
Huffington Post.
Now stretching fun farther than ever before.
Go to the chopping sequence.
Oh, more?
That's gonna do it for right now, but I need to season it.
Wait. I'm staying here.
Why don't you just stay over there?
Okay.
Got a little bit of kosher salt, got some coarse black pepper. Now let's start talking about our garnish slash
The
couple.
garni.
Save me from these utter morons. Another world. Another land.
Get some green onions. Do it. Just go get some.
Get you some.
Just go get you some green onions.
Like
now-
Bruce Mitchell. Get you some frog legs.
Get you some frog legs.
Just
and then
go get them.
Go get you some, and then just cut them up and cook them. Now we're gonna use these in two parts.
It's a terrible Bruce Mitchell impersonation.
It wasn't even an impersonation. You were just talking.
Your Marty McFly was great the other day.
Yeah, thanks, Doc. No.
It was close.
So we've got whites and greens with our green onion. Now our whites we are gonna actually be cooking with. I'm gonna throw them in here in just a little bit. But we've also got the greens, and the greens are gonna be our garnish.
Look at you.
So I'm gonna slice these
Whoa,
guys
two different.
on the
okay.
bias here. I know it's always shocking to you to see.
Proud of this guy.
Thank you. To see my my skills in action. Hold on, we got a few more whites.
Got yourself.
And then Andy,
Yeah.
or Guy, I mean, that which we do not speak of. You toss me one of them chilies there, Guy. Thank you.
Wow. Did you guys work on that earlier?
Yep. Could you tell?
Wow.
So green chilies. You don't have to do this if you don't want, but
Those are not green.
I'm sorry, red chilies.
I'm colorblind.
Oh, dang it, you're right, and that stings, and it sucks, and it's true.
Wow. It's all that.
All those things.
He has green chili on the mind even when there's no green chili.
That's right.
around.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mom.
And I want a small little mince here on these guys. Well, maybe not too small, because I do want them to blend in, but I want to see the color and I want to taste that bite as I'm cruising
Heat.
throughout. A little bit of heat.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4".
I'm a
heat.
big fan of spicy noodles,
Spicy's great, dude. Spicy's really, really great.
but specifically with noodles.
What is it with noodles that does it for
I don't
you?
know. I just like spicy noodles.
Oh, you just always wanted to see a blue duck, and I get it.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Lippy.
Dude, we're done.
Oh, what do you mean we're done? The meat's not even
No,
finished.
that's it. We just eat it like that. There we go. We'll see in a second. Be sure to chop your beef as you go. Make sure that it starts to get cooked fully through. That's the name of the game. And my friends, we're almost done. I know I said it earlier,
You said we were done.
but we're almost done.
Okay.
We
now
are
we're almost done.
So let's get our whites and our red chili over here, not to be confused with
Is that
green.
the red or the white?
Never remember that.
White?
Why don't you guys just stay there. Got a few more elements. Got some shaved carrots.
I like it when you do that. It's a good hack.
It's a fun hack. It's texture, it's color. It's a great game to play. Then, not everybody is crazy about these.
Oh, sprouts?
Yeah,
I'm a fan.
I didn't used to like.
You will not win, Mr. Bag.
I didn't used to like bean sprouts, but I love bean sprouts now. Gonna go in with a hefty amount of these. Dude, they taste like if Earth had a taste, which
I
Earth
agree.
does have a taste. But this definitely
Dirt.
lands into
Dirt
that.
is good.
Dirt is real good. Now, I've got some beef broth here. Or bone beef broth.
Yeah, that's the hearty stuff.
That's the good stuff.
The good stuff.
Pick up thick and chunky one.
Pick up the pace.
Going to start
What's the
cooking
liquid for?
because I want to steam up my my earth right over here. I want to get that cooking a little bit. Then also when I add my sauce here in just a sec, if I need to kind of cut through that heavy glaze, the beef stock can help me do that. All right, so now let's talk about Mongolian sauce. It's a combination of
Genghis Khan, bro.
totes my goats, bros. Let's get this cruising for a bruising.
Oh dang.
We're gonna start.
That smells awesome.
We're gonna start there, and then
Let's see how it goes.
see how it goes. Let's see
enough time.
what our glazing looks like because we have one major final element to go ahead and bring into the game.
The noodles?
The noodles, bro.
The noodles?
Let's not be. Don't throw them all in there because.
That's just pre-cooked linguine.
Thank you. I was just about to get to that.
Thank you.
You know, almost could have done all of them.
Looks like you do need more sauce?
We do need more sauce.
I gotcha.
Yeah. It was definitely a necessity. Some might say a bare necessity.
Look for the bare necessity, the simple bare necessity. Forget about your worries and your strife.
No?
What?
No.
You don't know it?
What a baby.
Nope.
You really don't know that?
I mean, I know the song, but I don't know
What's
the
it
words.
from?
Yeah.
Jungle Book?
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Live action.
No.
Whatever. Dude, this guy over here. You know what? There's not any room on seats taken on this set from now on.
Speaking of seats taken, hey CJ, did you know?
Shrimp kebabs, shrimp creole, shrimp gumbo, pan fried.
You went like European. Hey, CJ, did you know?
I was trying to go for force, but did you know the scene with the feather coming down was always planned to be at the beginning of the movie, but then they also added it to the end. Did you know what it symbolizes?
Life?
No, it's actually the
America.
randomness of life on how it could just come anywhere, but it decided to go to, yeah.
I was half right.
Okay.
Hey, Andy, do you have a fact? I didn't prepare for this.
Wait. Hey. Wait.
Well,
I wanna dance with somebody.
woo! I do. Did you know?
With somebody.
Did
You need a
know?
bodyguard? See what
You're getting really close.
Okay,
to
sorry.
it. Did you know that she started as a model
A bottle?
before getting into singing and all that? She was actually the first black model on 17 magazine in 1981.
Wow.
I was unaware of that.
Nate, did you also know that Ronald Reagan really liked jelly beans?
And
because
Mongolian beef.
What in the world?
his favorite flavor was actually licorice.
Ew.
Yeah,
I love. Wait, black licorice?
it just said licorice.
I love
Yeah, then
black
it would be
licorice.
black licorice. I hate black
I
licorice.
love it. Ruby and rye, baby.
That was a
Triple fact.
that was a little trifecta of greatness.
That was a lot of info.
Yeah, we're gonna come back and plate this bad boy. A couple more last steps to make this money in the bank. I've got some lime juice, gonna brighten it up a little bit. Adding some acidity to it is gonna go a long way. Then I've also got some sriracha. This is gonna
A little
pair
more
with the
heat.
sweetness, get a little bit of heat.
I like it.
This is money. Yeah, it's money, dude. Plating is get a bowl. Just get yourself a bowl and some chopsticks. I like to garnish with a little bit more of that, the greens of the green onion.
Beautiful.
And then we've got some sriracha.
More heat?
And yeah,
I'm a big fan of this.
I knew you would be. Dude, I said it was gonna be easy. Like,
It's pretty easy.
it's pretty easy. Now, there's ways to make this better and fancier.
So easy. I'm shocked.
I feel shocked.
I mean, yeah, you could go like better, meats and make your own sauces, which is cool.
It's pretty good looking.
But if quick weeknight meal.
Way to go, Lady and the Tramp.
That's some good heat.
Nice.
That is some good heat, buddy. Let me know. Would you try this? Pound of beef, get you some noodles.
Dude, that's a really like cheap and quick hack. I'm a fan.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a fan.
Let me know. Let me know in the comments below.
If
How'd
you
I
could
do?
wipe your face for it? Oh.
Do you like the heat? Do you not like the heat? Ooh,
Ooh.
there's more heat.
Yeah.
Feeling it. Feeling it. Leave it in the comments below. But hey, speaking of comments, my friends, it is time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
So this is the segment of the show where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers. You guys write it.
We read it.
That's right. And since you've stuck around this long, you should hang out for a
Just
little
a
bit
little
more.
longer.
Just a little bit longer. Have some fun with us. You might, who knows, you might be mentioned. Speaking of which, I can't mention you if you don't leave a comment down below.
True.
This first one comes in from Z1
Zitza.
Diljan.
Zitza.
I bet you a drummer.
Indua.
Says, I'd like to start a 100 comments for that purple jacket to never be worn in public again. Purple is cool, but not that shade, and not on a jacket like that. LOL, very close to losing your man card.
Wow.
No, what man card? Yep.
I was gonna say.
Yeah. Zildjian 1. Ziza
Oh.
Bendua.
Like us, the symbols.
Symbols, yeah.
Oh.
He's a drummer boy.
I like to play. 2 quotes from the same
Okay, this is from Richard Fagala.
Richard.
Old Rich. He says, I love the Blackstone bartender catchphrase. Talk less, pour more. If only he still talked less.
Richard.
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 You're naughty. That was weird. Richard, you're a jerk. Thank you. I accept your comment and get ready because the bartender's on the way back. That's all there's to it. Yeah. Oh, this is from Richard and Darcy Adventures.
Oh, hey, Rick and Darcy.
Says that jacket that Ethan is wearing looks like something Shirley Partridge from the Partridge Family show would wear. Ouch, Shirley Partridge.
Why does everybody hate my jacket?
Because it was awful.
Really stupid.
It was real bad.
Real bad. They went
All bad.
but that one was real bad. Here's to the Shirley Temple Partridge family.
No one notices corduroys.
Not today.
I actually like your jacket.
It was hideous. All right, this comes in from Rance Rector.
Rance Rector.
Rance Rector. Yeah, that too.
Hey, Rance.
Says, as always, 15 to 20 minute videos that very few actually sit through. Love the recipes, but take a page from your peers. No longer than 10-minute videos.
Very few people watch your show.
Very few people. Apparently, very few people.
But all of them love it.
I'd like to think so. I'd like to think so. Maybe they don't.
What's the guy's name?
Leave it in the
Vance?
comments.
Bagger Vance?
No, it's Rance Rector.
Bagger Rance, listen up, bud. He's not listening up.
No,
He
he's
stopped
not
watching
here.
17 minutes ago.
Hey, that's right. I like that fun. Sorry, dude. Okay, this is from Stephanie Godfrey.
Hey,
Stephanie says, love the food, love the jokes, love the quotes, and Nate's show isn't bad either. Can't wait to see the next one.
I think she meant to say, and Nate's show's not
Oh, wait.
bad either.
No, it's
Trying to be
Stephen.
Godfrey.
Stephen Godfrey.
Yeah, it's Gilbert's brother.
Yeah. How do we do?
That was Gilbert Godfrey?
I was trying.
Oh, that was rough.
Come on, everyone. It's
CJ's first cooking show. Let's ring it and bring it.
That's better.
Yeah. CJ's
You gotta put
first
it on like
cooking
this.
show.
Is that better for you, Aaron?
Okay, no, that was bad.
All right.
Oh, okay, this is from Louis Batella. Battelle.
Louis.
Said, sadly, this mashup of the traditional Cuban dish, picadillo, and the beloved Cuban sandwich ruins both. There are those dishes which are not to be perfected upon.
Louis.
Oh,
Say you
we gotta go.
Yeah. See you, Louis.
And that's a wrap. My friends, my amigos, my compadres, thank you guys so much for hanging out. Glad that you stuck around with us
Yeah.
for the 17 to
stuck it
20-ish
out.
minutes long
Glad
videos
you
that
hung in there.
nobody hangs out with and for and whatever. But be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com. Also go to griddlenation.com where you can get a bunch of, like, this one's faded and it's old. I really should go to griddlenation.com myself and get some new
Want to?
shirts and swag. Yeah,
Let's do that.
I should probably do that. Also, if you didn't know, it's a party.
It is.
So go
That's
looking for it. It's on the shirt. It's right there.
Yeah. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. That's right. In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, this is CJ's First Cooking Show where we cook.
And we quote.
Have ourselves a good time. We will see you down the road.
That's the Destination Delicious ending.
I thought it was...
See you down the road.
See you down the road. Well, let's go down the road. I'll see you in Amarillo by morning.
Is that?
I'll go. Come with me if you want to live.
That's a good one.
I'll be back.
Don't eat this if you want to live.
Secure!